Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play community maps. First, understand that community maps are player-created content, offering a fresh perspective on your favorite games. They provide endless variety, from intricate puzzles to intense combat scenarios, often pushing game mechanics in new directions. Getting started is straightforward, and we'll cover each step to ensure you're enjoying these custom experiences quickly. Finding community maps is usually done through your game's workshop or a trusted third-party website. Many games integrate a browser directly, making discovery simple. Always check the map's compatibility with your current game version to ensure smooth operation. Once you've found a map you like, download the file, which is often a compressed archive, ready for extraction. After downloading, you'll need to install the map. This typically involves extracting the downloaded files into a specific folder within your game's directory. The exact location varies by game, but it's usually a Maps or Custom Content folder. Once the files are in place, launch your game. You should then find the new map listed in a dedicated Community or Custom Map section within the game's menu. If you encounter issues, first verify the map files are correctly placed and not corrupted. Sometimes, maps require specific game updates or other mods to function properly, so check the map's description for any prerequisites. Don't forget to explore different map categories. There's a vast world of content out there. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your new community map adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.